Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everybody, I want to say thank you for attending our presentation today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Habibillah Aditya and group members.
My name Muhammad Raka Bukhari.
My name Muhammad Rasyad Prananda.
My name is Shasha Nabila. My name is Irna Pidyarti.
In this session, we will discuss causes of water pollution by household waste.
The causes of water pollution by household waste. In general, the causes of water pollution can be categorized into two sources, namely the first, direct contamination source and indirect contaminant source. Direct source include influence coming out of industry, landfill, household waste, and so on. Meanwhile, indirect sources are contaminants that enter water bodies from soil, groundwater, or the atmosphere in the form of rain. Every household produces waste both in the form of solid waste and liquid waste. We can recognize this solid waste easily but no liquid waste. This is because liquid waste from household is a combination of various sources, so it is difficult to recognize directly even among the components contain drain may contain toxic and hazardous waste or battery waste.
Of the many household waste, the waste that pollutes the environment the most is waste from liquid material in the form of detergent. This is because used washing water is usually directly discharged into the environment as a pollutant. Excessive use of detergent also causes pollution because detergent generally contain high level of phosphate. Example of problem in 2014, Mr. Kalensah Deputy of Environmental Pollution Control, Ministry of the Environment said that around 60 to 70% of rivers in Indonesia were declared to have been polluted by domestic waste or household waste. With this large percentage of polluted rivers certainly having an impact on human health, especially in terms of availability of clean water source, especially for people who live on river banks or depend on those rivers.
The impact of water pollution is divided into four parts. The first is the impact on the life of aquatic biota. Wastewater contains pollutants which can cause a decrease in the sulfate dosage levels in the water, resulting in description of the development of life in water because they need oxygens. Apart from that, water pollution can also result in the death of organisms that live in water. The second impact is the impact on groundwater quality. Groundwater pollution by vessels, which is usually measured by fecal coliform, has occurred on a wide scale. This has been proven by surveys of shallow wells in Jakarta. Many studies indicate the occurrence of this pollution.
The third impact is the impact on health, where the role of water can transmit various diseases, including the first, water as a medium for pathogenic microbes to live. The second, water as a net for disease spreading insect. The third, the amount of available water is not enough, so making it impossible for the person concerned to clean themselves. The fourth impact is the impact on environmental aesthetic, with more and more organic substance being thrown into the aquatic environment. The weather will become increasingly polluted, which is usually characterized by a strong odor and smell of rubbish which can reduce environmental aesthetics. The problem of oil or fat waste which can reduce aesthetic. Apart from the smell, this waste also causes the surroundings to become slippery and uncomfortable.
Solving household waste problem. Possible solutions include: number 1. The first is recycling used goods, such as used paper, used newspaper, and used magazines. You can buy and sell them at flea or junk market. This method can turn waste or rubbish that was originally used good into good of economic value. Number 2. The second is composting. Composting is a biochemical process in which organic substances in waste are broken down so that they can produce humus, which is useful for improving soil structure. Number 3. And the last thing is to select the waste by grouping the waste according to the type, nature, and quantity. The method is done to simplify the waste management process at the next step.
So, thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.